Y'all, we had a very big thunderstorm. They were in the pool yesterday. So this is what she's looking like. Green, cloudy mess. I don't even play like that. Let's get her together. So y'all know we already got the pump running. We're on the backwash. How do I get the waste out of here? Y'all see like these bugs and stuff that's caught up in here? How do I get that out? Bunch of leaves in the skimmer. I'm gonna leave that there. Only have, I can see that one little small coloring tab. Oh my gosh, bro. Get it too. Let's shock it. Don't get it twisted, because the video I made, I said you only need 2 products to keep your pool clean and clear. However, if you have a heavy rain, it's gonna mess up the balance of the pool. Alright, so we're gonna let that go for a couple hours, and we should be back to normal. While I'm inside, we'll probably try to put together those bar stools. We did get a delivery the other day. As y'all can see, we got a new umbrella delivered and some more landscape timber and some play sand to go inside the umbrella. We'll put that up later.